This setup is a 145 TPH beach sand processing plant for a Brazilian client. It is configured with a belt feeder for sending raw ore to the trommel screen evenly, a trommel screen for removing oversized gravel that is bigger than 2 mm, and 0 to 2 mm materials flow to the mixing tank for agitation. Use a slurry pump for sending slurry from the mixing tank to first stage spiral chutes for rough separation. Middlings will be sent to second stage spiral chutes for separation again, concentrates will be collected, and tailings will be sent to tailings dams. This washing plant is very suitable for recovering beach sand, monazite sand, zircon sand, and ilmenite sand that don't contain sticky clay. If the raw ore contains much sticky clay, we will recommend a trommel scrubber instead of a trommel screen. The capacity for this washing plant can be customized as per request, such as 10 TPH, 50 TPH, 100 TPH, etc.